Sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro, written in a natural, engaging style and without headings or direct quotations or numerals, --. Welcome to FK iPhone, where we break down the hype and dig into what's real. Today we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's latest piece of tech that's already making waves before it even hits the shelves. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into what's new, what's changed, and whether this device is really worth your money. First things first, let's talk about the exterior. Apple has taken a bold step this year with the iPhone 17 Pro by pushing the design further into the future. It's slimmer than before, but still feels solid and premium in the hand. The edges are more refined, with a slightly curved back that fits better in your palm. Apple has also introduced a new titanium alloy body that not only makes the phone lighter but also adds more durability. It resists scratches and fingerprints better than the stainless steel finish we've seen in the past. And yes, the action button is still here, but now it's customizable on a whole new level. You can assign it to almost anything, from launching the camera to starting voice memos or even opening a specific app. Flip the phone over and the camera setup stands out immediately. Apple has given the iPhone 17 Pro a fresh triple lens system that takes mobile photography to the next level. The main sensor is larger, which means better low light performance and richer details. The telephoto lens now offers improved zoom without sacrificing clarity, and the ultra-wide lens captures even more with less distortion at the edges. But the real magic comes from the new computational photography features. Night mode is quicker and more accurate, portrait shots are sharper with better edge detection, and Smart HDR has been tweaked to handle contrast more realistically, especially in bright sunlight. Now onto the display. This is hands down the best screen Apple has ever put on an iPhone. It's brighter, more color accurate, and the refresh rate is buttery smooth. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling, it feels incredibly responsive. The bezels are thinner than ever, giving you more screen real estate without making the phone any bigger. And while Dynamic Island is still here, it's been slightly reworked to blend in even more smoothly with the UI. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro is powered by Apple's latest chip, which means faster performance, smoother multitasking, and better power efficiency. Everyday tasks feel snappier, and heavier apps like video editors and games run flawlessly. What's impressive is how the phone manages heat. Even during extended use, it stays cool thanks to a redesigned thermal system. Battery life is another win. Apple has optimized the battery to last longer, even with all the high-end features running. Wireless charging is faster, and reverse charging is now supported, so you can juice up your AirPods or Apple Watch right from the phone. On the software side, iOS feels more fluid than ever. With the new version, Apple has introduced smarter widgets, more control over privacy, and deeper AI integration. Siri has been upgraded to handle more complex tasks and even understands context better. There are also new features like advanced call screening and real-time translation that push the iPhone closer to being your everyday assistant. If you're into mobile gaming, this phone delivers desktop-level performance. Graphics are stunning, frame rates stay high, and the battery drain is surprisingly minimal. With better haptic feedback and improved audio from the stereo speakers, the gaming experience is more immersive than ever. For the creatives out there, this device supports new camera modes like ProRes log video and even has support for external SSDs via the USB-C port, making it a real tool for mobile content creation. It's a pocket-sized editing machine that feels ready for serious work. Of course, all this tech comes at a price. The iPhone 17 Pro isn't cheap, and depending on the storage option you choose, it gets even more expensive. But if you're someone who wants cutting-edge features packed into a sleek, powerful device, it just might be worth it. So what's the conclusion here? The iPhone 17 Pro is clearly a powerful, well-rounded phone. It combines solid hardware, smart software, and a design that feels like it's been carefully thought through. But for some people, the upgrades might feel a bit too incremental, especially if you're coming from last year's model. That's where FK iPhone comes in. We tell it like it is. If you want the latest and greatest and you have the budget, the iPhone 17 Pro is a beast. But if you're happy with your current phone and not tempted by minor changes in design or camera tech, maybe hold off another year. Either way, let us know what you think in the comments. Are you planning to upgrade or are you sticking with your current iPhone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Catch you in the next one. Would you like a shorter version for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels too?